Hey guys, welcome back to the Hobby Farm. Just got off work and we are out here at the barn and we are going to take care of Henry. My wife's going to bring him out, wash him up. He had a procedure done to him yesterday. He went from basically a stud just to a gelding. If you horse people out there know what I mean. So we are going to go ahead and get him cleaned up. I'm going to clean his stall while she's doing that. And maybe she'll tell you a little more about it. I don't know. But sit back, relax, enjoy the video. Okay guys, we're dipping the birds. That helps them grow more feathers and just helps us a little bit of an edge on when they get judged. So what we do is we dip them in this muck bucket full of water for maybe just a minute or so, not even a minute maybe, just to cool them down. Also it helps cool down.
It promotes feather growth.
Yeah. They've definitely grown in the last week.
You're dirty. I'm trying to get that off of you. You're okay, yeah. You're okay. It feels good. There we go.
He's a frisky one. So this is all the stuff that we do every year with the birds to help us out. Get the feathers to grow underneath the belly because that's where they usually don't grow on a meat bird. This helps out quite a bit. So, and we also added, what did we add in the food?
Garlic.
Garlic and
Garlic powder.
garlic powder. And what else? So it was garlic powder and what else?
That's all we added.
Just garlic powder. Garlic powder like helps out with the appetite because they weren't really eating like a normal meat bird would, you know, because they normally just attack the feeder, but these guys weren't. So we added that to their food and it helps them out. Just little tricks of the trade, you know, the stuff that's not illegal or anything like that. It's just all the stuff that, you know, we've learned over the years. So if you got a bird out there that doesn't really have an appetite, put a little bit of garlic powder in the food and it'll help it out. So we're going to go ahead and dip the rest of these and I'll catch you guys in a little bit.
Like 9, get out here at 9 o'clock. He'll lick your camera. Did you water your cow?
Not yet.
They need fed too, the cows.
It's Rosie. This is a racehorse. Maybe one night, actually she is in at Mountaineer in West Virginia Sunday. I'm not sure what race she's in. This is Petey. This is my middle daughter's show horse. This is Henry, which like I said just had that operation. He went from a stud to a gelding. Now he's a racehorse. He's only 2 years old now. He'll go in training in end of, well, basically the beginning of next year. So he'll race at the end of next year as long as the training goes. And this is Fritz. He's kind of a retired show horse that my oldest had, but he's just a good old boy. He's kind of retired. And then you guys know Peanut. Peanut's a little one, and this is Heidi. That's Peanut's mom. There's Peanut. Yippee nut. And Fritz isn't here. He's back at the training barn, so he needs a few more months of training. He's only 4 years old. He's getting ready to turn 4. 4-year-old buckskin. We bought him out of Canada and had him shipped down here, which that was that was a fiasco. But we got him down here, and obviously he was just green broke, so we got him in training, and then we took him out for a little bit when the whole COVID crap started. But now we've got him back in. Things have kind of loosened up around here. So he's got to finish out, and he'll be my oldest daughter's show horse for hopefully a long time. My son doesn't have a horse. I don't know if he's going to show horses. He's probably going to get more into the pigs and the cows for the fair. So we'll see. Maybe he'll ride a horse. I don't know. Or maybe he'll race dirt bikes. I don't know. He's got a lot of interest right now, so we'll see what happens. But I'm going to go do a couple little things here, and I'll catch back with you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, we're going to go out here and feed the cattle. I don't know about you guys, but where I live here, it hasn't rained in I don't know how many days. Look at our grass, it's just burnt. I mean, to nothing. I haven't mowed in like 2 weeks. So, I mean, I guess I save wear and tear on my mower. It just doesn't look good, you know? Well, let's go back here and feed these guys, and I'll have to push up the manure pile. So let's go ahead and get food for them right now. Oats in here. I'll tell you what guys, it's Pogo taking a nap in his water dish. Woke him up. It's like 90 degrees here. I mean, I guess it's the dog days of summer, or whatever you want to call it, and I shouldn't complain because I truly don't like winter. So it's just hot. The locusts are out. All right, so I'm gonna feed these guys. Hopefully they don't fight over it. Get the camera set up here. Let's see here. I know guys, I'm a horrible cameraman. Hopefully everything's in view. Get out of here, Lucy. Couple plates of that. I love this stuff. I love that clover. It's really sweet. I don't give him much of it. I already got a round bell in there. I can eat on that. So, next thing I'm doing is give him some water, and they'll be done. And then my wife will come out and feed the horses. All she's got to do is grain and hay them because I already got the watering done. So, let's get that water. Must be having like a little air show. You guys can see that? I doubt you can see it. I can't zoom in on it. Anyways, today at work I seen a bunch of old military bombers fly over, and I think it goes, we have a museum here close to us. It's called Maps. And I think they were all flying over there for just a little air show or whatever. I think they're taking people for rides. Yeah, these guys are getting big. They always do ring around the rosy when they're on at that feed bin. They'll slide over one side, then that one will go over this side, and it's just they keep going around in circles. It's hilarious. But they're getting fat. We changed over to well, we didn't change, we're adding to a food that has a little bit more percentage on it, protein wise. So we still get the feed down the road here from the local farmer. It's just we're mixing that in because it's getting close here. We want to pack the pounds on them. Not a lot of fat. We want to build the muscle up. So, you know, that way the muscle's somewhat lean. But, finish watering these guys, and then I'm gonna get at pushing the manure pile up. Catch you guys in a little bit. All right, got that chore done. I got to get my butt moving on that manure spreader. I got to just add a couple more railings through it. That way it can pick the manure up faster and kick it out. So, because I need to get that manure spread on the field back here so we can reseed it. So, well, that's about it for tonight. I'm not going to do a whole lot. I'm going to end this video here. It's just kind of a hodgepodge of things again. And I just want to do a small video because I haven't made one all week actually. I just been so busy with work and stuff. But yeah, I just want to check in with you guys. So catch you guys on the next one.